Hi guys, this is Book Girl, the girl that comes from the book. There is the girl that comes from Italy, so welcome. Today we're gonna make together what I call the Turkish salami, which is basically a sausage made of chocolate. Okay, while my mom is helping me find something hopelessly, I'll tell you the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Around 150 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 70 grams of cacao, and last but not least, 2 to 3 packs of orezaiva or any sweet cracker. While you smash the biscuits, you can put the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Make those eggs luff, crack them up and pour them into a bowl. Okay, now take the sugar and the eggs and mix them up together until you get this. Add the cocoa powder and mix, and then the butter and mix again. Once you get the buttery paste, you can add the biscuits and mix them together until you get a sticky paste. Well done. Now take the tin foil and make sure you clean at best all the tools you used. Now you need to be an artist that makes a sausage. I know you can do it. Make it at your best without making a mess. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, you need to store it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. And then you can serve it after putting some icing sugar on top of it. Buon appetito!